Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a sold out cult beauty book to share with you, and it is in collaboration with Sali Hughes. This went on sale yesterday and it sold out super fast. It has a value of £215 and it costs £48. The waitlist for this box has been around for ages. I want to say about 2 months or so, a lot longer than normal beauty boxes that we've seen, and I was dying to find out information about it because inside here contains one of my all-time favourite skincare mists. If you've been a follower of mine for a long while, you will know how much I love this mist. It costs £40 as it is, so as soon as the one that I'm already using runs out, then you know I would have bought one anyway. So I see this as a bargain because everything else in this box just cost me £8. You won't find a link down in my description, but you will find a link to any offers Cult Beauty have. Their advent calendar, for instance, I've done an unboxing on that a couple of days ago, and if they've got any other beauty boxes still available, then you'll find all the information listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. But yeah, look, it's a big one. Starting off then with my favourite product. Neod Superoxide Dismataz Saccharide Mist. So this is an amazing spray. It is brilliant for sensitive skins, especially if you've got like rosacea, but not just for your face. It's great for in general inflammation on your body as well. So when I use it, I don't just put it on my face, I put it all over my chest as well. It locks in hydration. It fights oxidative stress. Oh, it's just such a wonderful product. I use it every morning. As soon as I come out the shower, I apply a toner or a liquid exfoliator. Then I go in and I spray my face with this, and my chest and my legs, anywhere that my skin needs a little boost of hydration basically. And then I apply my hyaluronic acid serums and moisturizers and things on top then. Can be used on body areas if desired to improve water density and or to target oxidative stressors. That'll be put away until I need it. It lasts ages actually, even though I spray a good amount on my face and my body as well. I don't do it all over my body. It's generally just the top half here really, and when I think to do my legs. But yeah, I'm sure it lasts. Gosh, about 8-9 months or more. I'm sure it does. It does last a long while, so it's definitely worth the £40 for me. Although I do tend to get like offers. I get discounts off when I do buy it online. So no, I love that. That is like my hero product, and I've been using it for about 6 or 7 years. Okay, next we got JVN. This is really good as well. This is Complete Instant Recovery Serum. So this is a hair product. You apply it to damp hair, and it's like a heat protector as well, but it just leaves your hair really nice and silky smooth. You can put a little bit on your hair when it's dry as well. It is a really nice product. It's not too heavy. Especially good if you do have dry hair. I don't blow dry my hair that often anymore. If I do, then I would grab that, especially as I got tape in hair extensions, because they tend to get a little bit frazzled on the ends there sometimes. We have got vitamin C from Murad. This is glycolic serum. There's 15 mils here. Glycolic acid helps remove surface cells and prepare skin for absorption of gold stabilized vitamin C for radiant, healthier looking skin. Love vitamin C in my skincare. I wouldn't be without it now. So yeah, to be used day or night, but just it mentions that you must wear SPF to protect your skin. So the fact it's got glycolic acid in there and vitamin C is good. Good. Then we've got a really gorgeous little cleanser. I tried this for the first time. I think it was a Cult Beauty advent calendar last year. I think so. This is Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It is so good. Really good. I got a big pot of it. I'm sure it was Cult Beauty last year. But yeah, doesn't have a smell. But no, it gets rid of makeup and SPF and everything really well. Pharmacy Green Clay. We've got Benefits. This is Fluff Up Brow Wax, and there's 3 mils there. 12-hour wear and waterproof. I absolutely love Benefit brow products. They are so good. But I've never really got on well with this one. And because my eyebrows are microbladed now, I don't do a lot with them. The only thing I use actually is the Benefit, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, I did a video on it. It came out the beginning of the year-ish. It was Detailer, precisely my brow detailer. So it's the very, very small tipped eyebrow pencil, but even smaller. It is tiny, tiny, tiny. I love it. It is so good. I just do a few little strokes through my hair just to darken up in, like, mainly right the front and the ends there, and then I leave the brows. So yeah, I'll be passing this on because I won't use it. We've got Elizabeth Arden, and this is Retinol and HPR Ceramide Rapid Skin Renewal Water Cream. There's 50 mils here. Proven Pure Retinol plus HPR, a next generation retinoid, meets moisture boosting ceramide in an ultra lightweight water cream to visibly diminish the lines and wrinkles, fine lines and wrinkles, even texture, deliver lasting hydration, and restores skin's youthful glow. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, firming peptides, and soothing botanicals. It accelerates skin cell turnover and is designed to minimize the discomfort often associated with retinol. Sounds great, doesn't it? Just a little bit. Oh, that feels really nice on the skin. Yeah, that feels lovely. It smells really nice as well. It's just this very subtle smell. It's not like overly perfumed or anything. It says if you're new to retinol, to introduce it 1 to 2 times a week until your skin gets used to it. But yeah, that's something new for me to try. So looking forward to that. Next we've got Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and there is 15 mils here. It's a nice setting spray. Nice and hydrating. It says it holds and primes for up to 16 hours. If I was going anywhere and I wanted my makeup to stay put and look flawless for as long as possible, then yeah, it'd be the Urban Decay all-nighter for me. We have got Shiseido. This is Revitaliscent Skin Glow. It's a primer. So this is a little added extra, I suppose, like a sample. There's 5 mils there. It just says that it's a skin glow primer. Excuse that there. I was unboxing an advent calendar, an Anthropology advent calendar before this video, and this is a stain lipstick that I can't get off. There, you can see how glowy that primer is. I've also got the stain on my finger. I'll try it on this hand instead because I think you can see it better. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of a glow there. Yeah, no, that's pretty. Not shimmery, not sparkly, which is what I like. Vitalescent Skin Glow Primer. Those are all the products in the sold out Cult Beauty and Sali Hughes edit. I think it's fab. I think it's really, really good. She's just chosen some amazing products. And yeah, it doesn't surprise me at all. I knew instantly that it would sell out. I had a feeling then that it would sell out, definitely. But as always, I'd love to know what you think of it, so please comment down below. And yeah, apologies for watching a video of something you can't buy, but I still like to do these so that you get to see not what you could have had, but the type of boxes that Cult Beauty do then, you know. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.